Hello, beautiful souls! Do you know that we make thousands of choices every day? In fact, researchers confirmed that we make about 35,000 choices per day. So the question is, do you believe that you can make the right choice each time when you need to make a choice? So to answer this question, we need to understand that most of our choices are based on our beliefs acquired from others. So basically, our beliefs about ourselves, others, and life in general are formed early in our childhood in the interactions with the significant people in our life. And they are our parents, relatives, friends, etc. So those beliefs can be very strong because they are coming from the people with whom we were or we still are emotionally attached. So very few of our beliefs are based on our own personal experience. So many of us, instead of listening to our own feelings and to our heart, choose to listen to the voice of our beliefs borrowed from others in times of decision. For example, instead of marrying a person who brings feelings of joy and love in your heart, you decide, according to the beliefs of others or the beliefs acquired from the society, to marry someone who is a good opportunity for you, someone who has a good reputation or can provide financial stability. So what can you do in times of decision? First, you need to examine all your beliefs. If your beliefs serve you, stand up for them in a way that does not harm anyone. If your beliefs do not serve you, drop them. All of them. And in times of decision, to know whether something is right or wrong for you, helpful or not helpful, you need to focus all your attention to your feelings. Because your soul speaks to you all the time through your feelings. And remember, in your deepest feelings lies your highest truth. And the truth will always bring you feelings of joy and love. So when in doubt, ask yourself, how do you feel about certain thing or certain person? So in times of decision, instead of asking yourself, what do I think about this? You need to ask yourself, how do I feel about this? Remember always to trust your feelings, because only in this way you can connect with your heart where your truth lies. And only in this way you can make the right choices in life. Choices that will always bring you feelings of deep contentment, satisfaction, fulfillment, and happiness all the time. I wish you a joyful day.